In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 Claude AI side hustles that can replace a full-time job and exactly how to start each one this week.
Watch this like the version of you who came home from that hotel meeting, and check your stomach at the end.
Pick a physical product that you can make or have made. Ceramics, candles, furniture, sauces, apparel, anything. You can open Claude and have it build you a list of local hotels, cafes, shops, and offices that fit your product with the exact buyer to contact each one.
And that's when my shoulders finally dropped. Nobody under you, nothing to buy, nothing to join. This is just trade by the oldest halal money there is with a better salesman.
Then have Claude write a personalized pitch for every single one of them, plus your product descriptions, your website copy, and your pricing for both bulk and direct. Then land a few bulk accounts first, since those are the big orders, and then eventually you can switch to the direct-to-consumer side.
But if you can't make anything with your hands, the next one only needs your phone and a sharp eye.
Dollars in your phone, walk into a Goodwill, a thrift store, a yard sale, and when something catches your eye, snap a photo and ask Claude what it is, whether it's collectible or not, and then where it would sell best. Then buy the items where the resale price clears what you paid, then have Claude write the listing.
My question watching this, is turning 5 pounds into 70 pounds even fair? It is, as long as you describe the item honestly. Profit was never haram. Hiding the crack in the lamp is.
The title, the description, and the exact keywords that buyers are searching for. Then post them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or some sort of reselling app like OfferUp or Mercari or whatever you want to use.
Flipping pays you once though. The next one keeps paying long after you've gone to sleep.
Picking your niche, coming up with the video ideas, writing the videos, and staying consistent. And that is exactly what Claude can take off of your plate. So an analogy here is, think of a YouTube channel like building a lighthouse. With every side hustle so far, you've had to row out and chase down customers one at a time.
He makes it sound compulsory, and I felt the tension from here, the accent, the aunties, what will people say? But nobody said your face has to be in it. Hands, voiceover, screen recording, modesty, and a lighthouse can share the same building.
A lighthouse is the complete opposite. You build it once and the right people sail straight to you year after year. You make the videos and your customers come and find you. It's that simple. Because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the entire world, and it's owned by the first largest search engine in the entire world.
And if a camera still feels far, the next one pays you for something you already do free at every dawat.
So there's a side hustle where you get paid to just answer questions about something you already know. Okay, so mechanics, nurses, electricians, plumbers, IT people, right now there are millions of people online who will pay for fast, expert answers to their problem.
That line stopped me, wallahi. The uncle everyone calls when the boiler dies has been running this toll booth for free his whole life. One warning though, let Claude research beside you, never answer for you. Your name sits on every answer.
So you can basically just join a site like Just Answer, or you set up your own service and you get paid for every question that you solve. So Claude can be your research partner. It helps you crack the hard ones and answer far more people than you could ever do alone. So think of it like running a toll booth, right? Every question that comes in is a car pulling up, and every answer you give collects a small toll. One toll is pocket change, but cars come through all day, every day, and it adds up to become a full-time income.
But if typing feels slow, the next one gets you paid with your sleeves rolled up by Saturday.
All right, so the next one is going to be one of the most reliable side hustles out there, and that is a simple local service business. Now, the reason that this is so reliable is because you can only have so much competition in your local market.
Honestly, I trust this one because there's nothing to believe in, just work. Nobody ever lost their izzat cleaning a stranger's driveway. We lost it selling shampoo to our cousins.
Right? There's only so many people that can mow lawns or paint houses or power wash things or clean windows or clean gutters, etc., etc.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And you just go and do it. Okay, so there's no inventory and there's almost no startup cost here. Just a few hours on the weekend and some basic equipment is good enough. And the hardest part is getting customers. And of course, Claude can help you with that.
Now, the next one sounds impossible for people like us until you see who's actually doing the hard part.
Here's how to do it. Think of one small specific problem that you or people around you deal with, like tracking a habit, splitting a bill, planning a meal, etc.
I didn't believe this either until I described an app to Claude in plain English and watched it build the thing in front of me. If you can type a WhatsApp message, that's the entire skill. Don't trust me? Test it tonight. It costs nothing.
Then open Claude, describe the app that you want, and have it write the code step by step, even if you've never written a line in your life. Then test it, get it into the App Store, and have Claude write the description and post to land your first users. Solve one problem really well and let the downloads add up.
And if building isn't your thing, the next one pays you just for pressing record.
He's making good money from that as well. So here's how to do it. Pick a few kinds of products that you actually enjoy talking about, like skincare, gadgets, supplements, apps, etc. In Chris's case, he's more of an outdoors guy, so he does a lot of UGC content around outdoor related products, right?
Here's what he didn't say. You're putting your word on someone else's product, and a paid opinion is still your opinion. Only film what you'd hand your own mother. Keep that clean, and this one's genuinely beautiful.
Then you want to open Claude and have it write a short scroll-stopping hook and a script for a sample video, then film it on your phone. Then have Claude write the pitch emails, find the brands to send them to, and sign up on UGC marketplaces like Collabster or Join Brands. And then land your first paid clip, build a small portfolio, and raise your rates from there.
Which brings us to the last door, the one you've been preparing for through every hard year you survived.
Personally figured out the hard way that other people are still struggling with. Open Claude and have it turn your experience into a real program. The steps, the lessons, the worksheets, the whole curriculum, and then offer it as one-on-one coaching, a group coaching program, or a course that people can buy.
This is where it got me, honestly. The years you think disqualified you are the exact qualification, even the burn. Somewhere, someone needs the person who survived it and will tell them the truth.
Now, typically people are just going to start off with one-on-one coaching. Once they have that down and they figure out exactly what people need help with, they can then transition into group coaching. And then once they have it down to a T, like it's just absolutely totally dialed in, they can then transition it into a course that people can buy, or they can just stick with the group coaching.
8 doors, 1 test, no downlines anywhere. Nothing you lived through was wasted, and one of these doors already has your name on it. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.